Let's bear all the facts with WavyTalk's new Barrett IPL hair removal system. Now, this is your 2026 version. It's brand new, and this is the product launch we've been waiting for. This is a fine company with this great tool that is, yes, painless, absolutely painless hair removal system. Now, why do you need this? I'm going to tell you why you need it with the unboxing. In another video, I'm going to show you how it actually works. But look at why you need all these important details and the technical truths about this Barrett machine. This is my unboxing, first look, first love, initial review of the brand new WavyTalk IPL hair removal device featuring the innovative precision roller attachment. Now, if you're tired of shaving, painful waxing, this is for you. WavyTalk has mastered this process. Now we're going to look at this beautiful lavender, ultimately gorgeous purple machine here. Now this is the corded version. It comes with a stand for charging. I'll show you how this works. Now this is just terrific. It also comes with this special roller. We're going to show you about that in a minute. You don't have to go to those expensive, painful waxing sessions that, ouch, nobody loves and quite hard to get in. This is in the safety of your own home. Here we go. This is what we are looking for. All the information on bye-bye hair in 20 uses. The quick guide and the complete in-depth guide. Now, I love WavyTalk. Here is one of the best reasons. This easy-to-use QR code will walk you through it like you're having an esthetician right by your side. Now, look at this. I love the way this is all compartmentalized. You know exactly what you're getting. This is the glasses and the razor. Gives you all the options from shaving parts that you want to get ready for the treatment. It comes with this bag and this cleaning cloth, and here are the glasses to protect yourself. Yes, you can use this on your face, and you're going to want to because that's one of the best features. And here is the preparatory razor. You simply wet your skin and shave before treating the areas, and there are refills available for this. And here's the magic, the cord. Now, what's great about this is you can use the cord right away. There's no pre-charging, no having to wait for it to charge up and hope it doesn't run out of battery on you. This is the new version, and here we will be able to start using it immediately, and this is a new attachment that we're all going to want to use. I'm going to plug it in, show you the different options that are available on that beautiful LED screen. Now, what I love about WavyTalk is you can start right away because everything is simple. All protected, a beautiful gift when it arrives for yourself or for someone else. Now, it tells you immediately the different modes that you can use. And it shows you where you're going to work. You can use underarms, bikini area, and face. And each one has a different level. Here's your modes, here's your levels. And if you don't know what level to pick, you can just get started and we'll walk you through the process. Now, it does a complete process whether you pre-program or not. You can simply use it on your face and go to an area, let's say, over your lips or under your chin, and it will start the process immediately for you, and it will do the work without you having to predetermine what you're supposed to do. I love that it's on a timer, it will beep, and then as you progress, you can go to the different strengths. Now, this is what you can count on. It will tell you why it works, based on your skin color, what type works for you, and exactly how you can get the results. It goes over each of the pieces in detail, and this is the precision roller. Now, this helps prepare the skin as you're doing the process so you can get the best results. That is new with the WavyTalk Barrett machine, and I am so excited to use that. And it gives you intensity levels, and it recommends that you start with the lowest level, and you can end up at the highest level for the best results. But it tells you all of these great details, and the way that this works, it has a dual purpose technology to deliver energy effectively to the hair follicle, improving hair removal results. All of that information is there for your reading, and if you choose to study it in depth, you certainly can. And if you just want to get started, that's the beauty of WavyTalk. Everything you need is right here. Now this is the unboxing video. Please like this video and follow us for more from this great brand and to see the actual how it works video. I love WavyTalk. I use this machine myself and I have seen great results. I highly recommend it.